Steve.
Really good to meet you.
Yeah.
We finally got here.
I know. Welcome. Dude, holy smokes. That's a long journey.
Yeah, we're just getting started.
Yeah. When did you leave?
We left on last Saturday. It was the 18th.
From where?
From Mexico City.
Mexico City.
Yeah.
Dang. I want to know how you got across the water.
We went swimming and then skiing. we just put some skis on it, and then we follow the boat all the way through.
Perfect. Well, I can't wait to put a radio in this. So
it's going to be so cool.
Yeah, the rest of your journey all the way up into Alaska. Holy smokes, it's a long trip.
We're going to like it so much.
Yeah.
And we're going through. We went through the ferry here. We took Mazatlan, and we all took Topolobampo. This is to the Baja. We went all across Baja, then Tijuana, San Diego, and we're going through Santa Monica and all the way through San Francisco, Portland, Seattle, Vancouver, and so much else over here until Anchorage.
Yep.
We're going to be so rocking with a rock radio. It's going to be so cool. It's the first time we take cars.
Wow.
It's been only bikes like for 6 years or 7 years. And this is the first time, and we wanted to do in style and a brand new Ford Bronco from Ford.
We're going to do a GMR45 radio with our new Bronco mount, which will be the one that goes right off the side of the console. And then I'll do an antenna mount that runs right up here off of the rear view mirror with an A-pillar light. So this will be the first one I've done with an A-pillar light. So this could be interesting. So cool to be able to do Mario's Bronco. Rodrigo drove it in. Mario's not here right now, but we got a GMR45 installed in it. Got our brand new billet antenna put on this thing. I am so excited. I love these new Broncos. It's really cool to see this thing go from Mexico City clear to Alaska.
Rugged Radios Rutas Todo Terreno.
Tacos! That's all I want is tacos!
Oyster Rugged.